Alright, so here's a quick video on the 251, how to use the rockets. You only get 6, but they have incredible splash damage. You can probably take out 3 city blocks. So the biggest thing to know is that when you're driving forward, they have a lower angle of attack. And then when you're stationary, that's when you get the 23 degrees or 45 degrees, depending on the rocket you choose. So you're going to want 23 degrees. And if you're driving backwards when you fire, they go into the sky and have much longer range. But we want point blank, so I'm going to fire the rockets right here on the corner of this curb. The first shot is going to be stationary, so you don't have to have any doors open, just make sure your rocket's selected. And here I used one of the guns with the elevated view. You have to fire from inside. So you see that clears the building by a decent amount. And if you change views after you fire a rocket, it'll switch to troops, so make sure you don't have your door open and you're hitting, your secondary fire. So here's the shot driving forward. Next up the curb, and I hit the target building. And here's going to be a shot driving backwards. You see how it goes way in the sky. So all your shots you're going to want driving forward, and here's going to be the splash damage. Kills you instantly.